The other one. Oh, you
So
got
I
it.
just wanted to
I'm just going to get you a little cleaner background without that cord in there.
yeah, the AC blowing now.
It's an old piece.
So let's talk about these tile cutters.
All right, Jeremiah, what kind of tool is that right there?
This is actually a VCT cutter, but it cuts LVP. You just have to adjust.
Down, right?
Yeah, this is a glue down LVT. See, you just line it up.
All right, now, Chris, we always used a razor knife up till now, and now razor knife still works fine, but it's so much easier to be able to,
Nice
instead
and
of,
clean.
especially with LVP, because you got to pop it and everything else.
So on that the floating, right, LVP.
Yeah.
So you would score it and pop it,
Yes.
but it's not always the cleanest.
No.
Yeah, correct.
Right, but like even with this though, is it even more important to have a clean cut with the glue down? Because you know what I mean, you can kind of score it and be kind of jacked
Yeah,
up with it.
Yeah, and this will just give you a clean
And it
cut.
makes you like the time it saves, right?
Oh yeah.
See how clean that cut is?
Yeah.
Hey, you got your razor knife, Nick?
Yeah. Super.
All right. Hey, how much was that tool new, Jeremiah?
Oh shoot, I don't even remember. I've had that thing for so long.
Yeah, they were freaking expensive. But.
Yeah, they're high, but they're worth it.
All right, this is $140 from Amazon.
It says it's a. It says it's a 13-inch.
Yep.
That means it could go up to what? 12-inch or 13-inch wide
Yep.
plank.
13-inch, but
Right.
this one is different than this one for the simple fact of
All right, now watch what this thing does.
just
This right here is where it was worth every penny of it.
Yeah.
See the way you turn the gauge around?
Oh, the ribbon?
Fuck yeah.
Learn something now.
That's why I had to have it whenever I've seen it.
Okay, these don't do that.
So so when you're getting your cuts and like door jams and all that stuff, you can freaking.
And you can change the depth of your cutter. Even that cutter will slide in and out. It just makes that ripping down the wall so much easier. Hey, where I would have had to walk out to a saw and either, that's where Mark got cut out, was ripping a piece. All right, where I'd have to even scribe it and then break it a little at a time, and the cut is out of square, you eliminate all that with this.
So what are you doing here with your gauge? How are you
Pull a
making
measurement,
sure
make
yeah,
sure it's the
let's
same.
see, put it. Let's see it. We'll set it at 3 inches. What's this say? I think that's why that last one was messed up.
Cutting funny.
Yeah, 3
so
inches.
you measure it against that wall, 3 inches or whatever it needs to be?
Oh, it moved.
Oh, no.
I didn't take it. Yeah, it would be straight if I tightened it better.
Hey, but even like that skill saw I just bought last week from Florida Core, hey, is the